Definitely. It did not come across as a surprise for many when the extension of lockdown was announced, because everybody is mentally prepared and they are seeing the spike in numbers that is taking place on a daily basis. And that's why, while the MHA has rolled out certain relaxations within that directive, they have also said that the red zones, the containment zones, will have no relaxations. They will not see any kind of movement. But orange zones will see some movements, like cab aggregators like Ola and Uber can drive in and drive out of the areas, and also essential services delivery will take place, and also other non-essential services delivery can take place in the green zones as well as in the orange zones. But in the red zones, which is like spread across the 11 districts of Delhi, they will see no movement. So that is one strict rule that the Delhi people has to adhere by. Right? Currently we are standing just outside South Delhi Magistrate Office. Since it's a district magistrate office, I'm going to show you the kind of barricading that has taken place to ensure that the smooth transitioning from second lockdown to the third lockdown takes place. There are cops who are standing over here. They're constantly monitoring the entire movement of cars, whether they have proper ID cards or not. They are being checked whether they are wearing masks and whether they have the proper identity cards to show that why have they come out of their houses to ply on the streets. And see, a group of police officers are constantly asking questions, and only when after satisfying their questions they are being allowed to move. We are also going to show you a very interesting initiative that has been taken forward by the South Delhi Magistrate Office, and that is this particular van, which is a mobile clinic van, which is also an ambulance. So they will not only be going to various red zone areas in South Delhi to conduct testing, but also they will be, whoever turns out to be positive, they will be immediately be transferred to a nearby hospital, so that any kind of delay doesn't take place. This is basically a CRPF vehicle that has been transformed into an ambulance plus testing clinic. So these are the kind of initiatives that are constantly being taken by various district magistrates, so that their areas can show no corona positive cases in 28 days span, and then it can be immediately be declared as an orange zone or a green zone. So that is the aim right now, to transform a red zone into an orange zone or a green zone, so that people can finally go under that relaxation mode and finally they can come out of this lockdown. So that is the aim right now. So while India is being divided into 3 color zones, people on the other hand are completely committed to battle it out with this coronavirus spread. And also tomorrow we will see that as Amit Shah just mentioned it out, that yes, we are all grateful to the armed forces for this kind of huge initiative being taken tomorrow, where they will be showering flower petals and also lauding the efforts that are being made by sanitization workers, our health workers, our doctors, and of course media personnel. So this is a great initiative during the transition from second lockdown to the third lockdown, not only emboldening the spirit of people but also boosting the entire energy to fight it out with COVID-19, which is definitely a long battle that is ahead for us. Yes, Kritsvi.
Oh yes, the entire focus is now on how to convert all of those red zones into orange zones and subsequently green zones. So efforts being made on parts of several governments, including the Delhi government. It is a great initiative there. Shantashri, what you took us through, many thanks for joining us with those details.